Hello everyone, I am a grow light engineer and a grower. Today we DIY, do-it-yourself, our own plant factory. It only takes 2.4 square meters of space to grow 528 small vegetables. To experience the joy of planting and harvesting, here is a simple DIY plan for plant factories. For the convenience of description, let's start with a growing process of vegetables. First we need seedlings. Seedling steps. 1. Soak the seeds. Put the seeds in the refrigerator. Take them out after 2 days. Soak the seeds in warm water at 50 degrees Celsius. 2 hours for lettuce seeds, 4 to 6 hours for basil. 2. After soaking the seeds, put them in a paper towel. Keep moist and constant temperature of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, and place in the dark. After 2 to 3 days, the seeds will begin to germinate. 3. Immerse the planting cotton in clean water, take it out for 1 hour, put it in the seedling tray. Plant the germinated seeds into the planting cotton. Keep moist and wait for the cotyledons to emerge. 4. In about 3 days, the seeds will grow a little green, which means the cotyledons are born. 5. Install the grow light and take out the ARZ2L grow light for seedlings. The easiest way to install it is to use cable ties to tie the 2 ends of the grow light to the seedling stands. 6. Put the seedlings under the lights. Add the nutrient solution diluted 5 times. 7. After a week, the cotyledons grow slowly, the true leaves begin to appear, and the seedling stage of the seeds begins. They can be moved into the planting basket when the seedlings have 4 true leaves. When the seedlings grow up and need more space for growth, we need a hydroponic rack. Let's do it! First, process the hydroponic container, the rectangular plastic box, and make the water outlet. Process the hydroponic clapboard, cut and drill. Cut PVC water pipes. We will build a miniature plant factory here. First, assemble the shelves. This is a 3-layer hydroponic shelf composed of 2 medium-sized shelves, which can cultivate 528 small leafy vegetables. Place the hydroponic box and connect it with water pipes. If there is a gap at the connection, you can use glue to seal the leak. Connect the nutrient solution water circulation pipeline. Put it into the hydroponic PVC foaming board. Prepare the nutrient solution according to the nutrient solution instructions and pour it into the nutrient solution container. Then install the water pump to pump the nutrient solution to the top hydroponic tank, so that each hydroponic tank is filled with the nutrient solution. The nutrient solution can be delivered intermittently by using a timer, which can save power. So, the vegetable hydroponic rack is basically completed. Now the most important thing is to install the hydroponic vegetable grow light ARZ2H. We can simplest install it with cable tie, also can be hoisted with hooks. This is a cost-effective grow light with a hanging height of 30-40 cm. ARZ2H is a hydroponic vegetable grow light specially designed for plant factories, with optional accessories T-bolts and rings. After installed the hydroponic planting shelves and grow lights, we can transplant the vegetable seedlings to the hydroponic planting shelves. If you planting red vegetables, you can use the higher efficiency ARZ2G45 grow light, which has higher power, dual channels adjustable spectrum. Also the V3B spectrum support turn on UVA during coloring to improve coloration and taste. By the way, colorful vegetables contain powerful antioxidants that absorb free radicals and more valuable than regular vegetables. Now we start transplanting vegetable seedlings. First, transplant the seedlings to the planting basket. Then put the seedling planting basket into the hydroponic clapboard, and we can wait for the harvest. After 1 week, the vegetables will have more leaves. After 2 weeks, the vegetables will cover the entire hydroponic divider, and if you're in a hurry, it's ready to eat now. The growth of hydroponic vegetables will be faster and faster in the later stage. Generally, it can be harvested after 3 to 4 weeks of planting. The whole cultivation cycle is relatively fast, 3 to 7 days for germination, 14 to 20 days for seedlings, and 21 to 35 days for vegetative growth. High ppfd grow lights are used. It can be faster. Of course, this requires control of temperature, humidity, and nutrient solution. Finally, I will introduce the specific materials for building a plant factory. List of basic materials in the seedling period: seedling sponge, seedling plastic tray, nutrient solution, vegetable seeds, seedling growlight, seedling rack. Basic bill of materials in the vegetative growth period: shelves, hydroponic container, hydroponic clapboard, hydroponics net cups, nutrient solution container, water pump, PVC pipe, hydroponic vegetable grow lights. ARZ2H grow lights adopts condenser lens to improve photosynthetic photon density ppfd. This ARZ2H grow lights uses a series connection composed of double-ended waterproof plugs, which is a multi-layer connection composed of double-ended waterproof plugs and T-shaped wires. Coupled with Wi-Fi plug, intelligent control, power saving, and convenient. DIY a plant factory. This is the end. If you have any questions, please leave us a message. Koray grow lights, high quality services for modern agriculture.